Here's an approximation that every good student of math should know. Sine x is approximated by x, as long as x is close to 0 and is in radians. Because of course, the radian measurement system is the better system for measuring angles compared to degrees. For example, if we plugged in 0.1 into sine x, we would get about 0.0998, which is awfully close to 0.1. We can also plug in negative values as long as, again, they're close to 0. So for example, if we plugged in negative 0.1, we would get about negative 0.0998, which again is pretty close to negative 0.1. However, if we plugged in a value farther away from 0, like 1, then this approximation will not be that great. As you can see, sine 1 is about 0.84, and 0.84 is now well approximated by 1, the input. So you can think of it like this. The output of sine will be well approximated by its input, as long as its input is close to 0 and in radians. Now, this all works, of course, because y equals x is the tangent line approximation to y equals sine x with the point of tangency at the origin, at x equals 0. Or in other words, we're just using the Maclaurin series for sine x truncated after the first term. In any case, I just think this is a pretty cool approximation, that sine x is well approximated by x as long as x is close to 0 and in radians. All right, with that, I hope you're doing well. Make sure to hit that follow button for more math content. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.